just like to reply to trails. They have been rated unsafe by Lehigh Valley Live. Yeah, you still see us out here trekking up.
My channel's all about danger.
Yeah, danger. Our middle names are Danger. We were sent out here by the chief of police to do some recon on these trails. He just really wants us to check them out, you know, make sure the trails are safe, which they're obviously not, but we're up here anyway, because we're beasts. So yeah, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow Tires Frost on YouTube. Peace out.
Tires just took a pretty big spill. He took over on camera duty. We might need to call his mom. He's crying pretty bad right now. I think it's time to sign off. Catch you guys in the next vid.